Hello everybody, it's me being impersonated by this guy on TikTok. So I was making a TikTok. This is real me, Red Light Car Zero. Somebody is impersonating me. I did not have a TikTok account. This Red Light Car 72 is not me. There's I did not have a TikTok account when this was probably created. So what we do is search up, make sure it doesn't have the profile picture. I want you to click dots, report account, pretending to be somebody, and then it's pretending to be me, Red Light Car Zero. Yeah, because I didn't have he doesn't even have the profile picture either. So real, and then we have fake right here. So make sure to report him. Thank you.